Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And we come and walk here because the government not giving us the road. No, that's why we need to walk. See what the hole. This is called Chiang Lung. He's very work hard fellow. See what the road. Because government are not giving us the road. That's why we need to walk. This fellow also. See what the road. Our road is not good, man. That's why we need to make the road. Because government is not giving us the road. No? See all the young girls. So all these guys are work hard fellow. See this fellow is black fellow bow. See the side. How's you, Majay? Cut your hair, monkey fellow. See, he do like a BTS, that boy, but his face is like a monkey fellow. They don't walk. And that fellow, work hard fellow, Chiang Lung is work hard fellow. No, Chiang Lung, see this side, Chiang Lung. See, Chiang Lung is work hard fellow, but very black man, Chiang Lung. Why very black this side? I don't know. This side, see, this side is very pretty, man, Chiang Lung. Then I like, man, Chiang Lung. See, we need to walk this road because government are not giving us the road. No, that's why then. We need to walk. See this fellow also. See, we make the road because the government are not giving us the road. No, that's why we need to make. See that boy. He is a very walk hard fellow. And that our BTS fellow. BTS light. See his face. Like a monkey fellow. I hate him, man.